Hello, everyone. Market update for basically Ontario, Hamilton, Kitchener-Waterloo, Niagara, and Burlington. I am seeing all of Ontario. I've been watching. I am seeing triple the listings to what is being sold. In my target areas of Kitchener-Waterloo, Hamilton, Burlington, Niagara, I am seeing minimum double the listings to what is being sold. I am seeing properties holding offers still, maybe 50%, still under listing at, the previous expected number of getting 200,000 over list, which is not realistic because that's not listing at market value. I am seeing that the number of offers that are coming in, if any at all, are zero or marginal at best because people are confused and don't know what to do. Essentially, what this is doing is telling us it is shifted. It is shifted to a buyer's market, and now is a great time to buy a house. What's happening is, so for example, I am driving to Kitchener-Waterloo right now to look at properties, and the house that I was originally looking at was listed. There wasn't enough interest, so it was relisted at a lower price. Another house that I'm looking at, it was underlisted. There wasn't enough offers, so it was relisted at a higher price. So the market is determining the market value. There are more properties being listed right now at $599 than I have seen in the last 2.5 years, which is amazing for first-time home buyers. Because if y'all recall before, the average numbers in Ontario basically had hit $900 and some odd thousand, which is a lot of money. So these ridiculous $200,000 over list prices that we were seeing before really are no longer. Sellers are being forced to list at market value. Excuse me while I get on the highway here, because I like to pay attention to the road and not look at the video. Sellers are paying attention. They're listening to their agents. They're following the direction of the agent, which is list at market value right now. It was funny, I had a conversation with an agent yesterday, and I've been in this business for a long time, and she's been in this business for a long time, and she's like, I have never seen a market shift so fast. It's like whiplash. And I'm like, wow, that is such a great metaphor, because it literally went boom, door shut, and market has shifted. So this is an absolutely great opportunity to buy. It doesn't mean that you're going to get a killer deal. It does mean that you are going to actually be able to buy a property at market value. You are going to be able to take a little bit of time to find the property that you want. You're not going to be forced into a bidding war. These are all amazing things, because this is not something that anyone has really experienced over the last 2.5 years. So that being said, when we list, let's say, for example, I'll give you a quick scenario of if you want to sell a property and buy a new property. As your agent, I am going to put conditions in your offer. So on a property that you're purchasing, one of the conditions will be sale of buyer's property. In the last 2.5 years, that didn't fly. So you weren't basically allowed any conditions. They had to be firm offers. All of these things were really quite upsetting for buyers, rightfully so. We as agents were extraordinarily frustrated with it as well, because it made it very difficult to find you the property of your dreams. I don't feel that way anymore. I feel hopeful for all of you buyers out there, which is an amazing feeling for me, because as much as I love listing, and I love taking a property to market, because for me, having a design background, that is like, but buying a property and finding a home for you, equally as rewarding, but in a completely different way. So the fact that we don't feel stressed, the fact that you can have a home inspection, the fact that we can do all of these things and you're not going to be paying these ridiculous overinflated prices. Yes, you are paying market prices, which have increased drastically. Unfortunately, that's a sad reality. but I'm happy. The other thing is, don't be swayed by interest rates. Talk to your mortgage broker, run the calculations, run the numbers. Things have a tendency to equalize, which is good, and there's hope in the market. So I'm not going to wait so long to get this video posted because I have a propensity to film them and then not post them, but I won't do that. My website is ready to launch. I have a few more things to add to it. I'm going to have a members only section for my website so that you have access to all the information on buying, selling, investing, and in Airbnb properties, short-term and long-term investments, which is definitely, sorry for the hair, definitely something that I have personal experience in that I want to share with my buyers and sellers. And based on that, yeah, that's it. So y'all have yourself a good day. And I'm not quite sure what I did with my hair, but it's quite interesting. And it's a good thing I can laugh at myself. Anyhow, y'all have yourself a good day. I love y'all. And until my next market update, enjoy the sunshine. Ciao for now, everyone. Bye-bye.